goodness. Guys, I've just taken another 3 things out of the box, and guys, there is still more things in the box. So we're going to start with this blue one, and I don't even want to undo the bow, but I don't know, maybe I can take it off. I can take it off without. So this is a lovely box, and it's like a cornflower blue, and then we have some lovely I don't know what those are, like flowers on the side in white. Feels quite heavy, so we're gonna take the lid off. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Sandra. This is lovely. Oh my gosh, I love it. And you know what, I love Disney characters. I actually have a large Winnie the Pooh. Guys, at heart, I'm a big kid, and I love Disney. I have some Disney characters that I've had for years, and I just absolutely I love it. Sandra, thank you so much. I'm going to be drinking my tea when I'm crafting, guys. Sandra has decked me out. I also got some pegs, ephemera hair. These are beautiful with these little flowers, resin flowers. And then I think the pegs are actually covered in material. A lollipop paper design. I think I'm gonna have, I can see through the packaging. I'm keeping these in the craft room. I'm keeping them in the craft room. Thank you, Sandra. My cup, actually, for my snacks while I'm crafting. Thank you so much, Sandra. That's lovely. She's really thought about so many different things. We've had the nails, we've had snacks, we've got the drink. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to pull out next. So we've got some more bits and pieces. I don't know how long this video is, guys. I'm sorry if it's long, but I really want to get through, and she's done so much work. It's absolutely beautiful. So this one, we've got some lovely tags and tassels, and they are on a tag card, and she's done them with some beautiful wool. This one's got some they've got some like glitter thread running through them, and they're beautiful colors as well. I love purple. To be honest, I don't think there's a color that I really do not like, if I tell you the truth. Obviously, I have some that I favour more than others. Purple is one of them. So she's hit the nail on the head with the purple colours. She's done some more ephemera. These are beautiful. This time they've got dangly little charms on them, guys. And she's got Be Fearless, Own Your Dreams, Be Original, Make a Wish. They're just so creative. She's got a little sparkly here. I love this sparkly. Oh my gosh. And then this one, dangly, is a butterfly. And again, they're just some layered hearts. It's beautiful again. And then we also have, I think these are bag toppers. We've also got some butterfly die cuts, all different sizes. She's also got, oh, this is post-it notes, another little booklet, guys, that she's covered. And she's done corresponding bag topper. I like the papers that she's put in here as well, and she's put a pencil. I'm always having to write things down, guys. I don't know about you, but I've noticed as I'm getting older, no joke, my memory, it's not as good as it used to be. It really isn't. So this one, oh, so this is like some embellishments. It says dream big. I really like this. It's built up, it's dimensional, such a teeny little case, it's so cute. And then inside she's put in some lovely little bits. So we've got some flat back kind of pearls, and we've got some, guys, there's so many different little bits. We've got some metal pieces as well with writing on, find joy in the journey. We've got some of these heart sort of like buckles in here. They're all in the sort of pearl and silver colours. I don't know, are you seeing those? We're still going, guys. We've got this box, and it's beautifully made, sturdy box, and she's used Velcro, and it's a little organizer box. Can you see? And there's some goodies in each pocket. And we've got some more flower die cuts in all different colors, and we've got some more heart die cuts, and again all different sizes, and I think there's some other ones in there as well. So that's nice as well. And we've got some of these. These are charms. I love them. And then this one is, oh, guys, it's little booklets. Can you see? Sandra, I don't know how. Oh, they're charms. Oh, they're on paper clips. They're on paper clips, guys. I don't know if you can see that because they're attached at the top. And then again, the flowers in the beautiful corresponding paper. Everything's just so matched and colour corresponded beautifully. I don't know if I'll be able to even open the packaging. I don't want to open the packaging because it's so beautiful. And I think that, yeah, these are the last things, guys. And I can barely get them in shops. So I've knocked you, sorry, forgive me. For that. Sandra, guys, oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, let's start on the outside. So this is a as you can see, it's a journal of some sort, and she's put a tassel on it, guys. I love this. I really love it. And she's put inspire and hope. And then she's on the side, she's put a pen holder. She's put a blue matching pen. And then we've got some paper clips, I think, at the top. BU, to make, to read. And then we've got love this. And we've got très chic at the top, guys. I love this. I haven't opened it, but I love it already. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says I'm possible, guys. Do you know, like, my dream of, like, owning a shop and everything. Anyway, let me just, yeah. Thank you, Sandra, so much. It's beautiful, honestly. I'm going to use this. Yeah, I'm going to use this. So it has 4 books in it. And it has a I can't speak. I've lost words, guys. I've lost words. You know what this is. You know what it is. She's even done a little writing board for me. And it's got lines on the other side. So if you're like me and you don't write straight. I never learned to write straight at school. I always write wonky unless I had lines. And she's put lots of little bits in here for me. Tags and things. This one says fab. And it's got lines on it as well. Just beautiful. She's laminated it, guys. It's just so many pieces. Sometimes I think that someone said to me, you know, oh, it must be really good. You make crafts and you touch, you know, people get gifts and it's really nice when you get a gift. But, you know, it really does touch me. And I've witnessed that here today, how, you know, someone can make you something and they've put some of themselves in it and they've really worked hard in it, and it just really touches your heart. And this has really just touched my heart, guys. You know that I have a business. I'm gonna talk about it now. I can. And sometimes, some days it's really rough, guys. You know, like it's a dream of mine to be able to have my crafting business, and I absolutely love having it. And guys, just like anything, sometimes you have good days and sometimes you have bad days. Sometimes you have days when you just think to yourself, how am I gonna get through this? How am I gonna work this out? And guys, I don't know, I just saw I'll be able to write things down, and it's just really special to me, Sandra. I just want you to know it's really special to me because you made it for me, and I'm just really touched by it. Yeah, honestly, I'm lost for words, guys. I'm lost for words, but I want you to know, Sandra, I really, really appreciate it, and I love this. I don't even know if I will be able to use it, but I will be carrying it around with me. Honestly, I will. Thank you. Oh my gosh, Sandra. You're brilliant. Oh my gosh. Guys, I've seen this like through the first of all, let me say what it is. It's a sewing machine. She's made this beautifully. Oh my gosh, look at this. I hope she's put her name on it somewhere, and if not, I'm gonna write her name on it so that I can always remember. Hopefully we'll do many more swaps, but I always want to remember that This is what Sandra gave me in 2021. And it's got some beauty. She's even put some lovely lace under the needle, guys. Look at that detail. And she's put some, there's a ribbon coil on the side. Now, I saw this on the internet, some tutorials people were doing. And guys, I said, I'm going to attempt it. However, yeah, I looked at it and I thought this is going to be for another time. And guys, she has actually made it. I looked at this and I thought this is really complicated and I wasn't sure if I'd be able to make it, and she's made it, and she's made it absolutely beautiful. And I hope you're getting the fullness of what this is. So it's a sewing machine, and she's used some absolutely beautiful die cuts and things to decorate it. And on here we've got some lovely of those pearls that she's gifted me. I've got one there and one there. I'm sorry about that angle, I know. And I know that she said to me that there are some different compartments, so we'll start at the top. And we've got some lovely, I love these colours. These are colours for, I'm just going to move it slightly here. Some colours for this summer and spring. I know, I'm aware the video is quite long, but guys, she's put so much into this and it's absolutely beautiful. So there's a little drawer here, if I can get it open. And then you slide it out and we have some more ribbon on some little cards here. So that's 1, 2, this is number 3. Oh, this is a long one. So number 3, and we've got lots of bows. In there. So I'll put it in later, as I said, guys, because I don't want to fiddle about. And I didn't tell you, here it says cherished. And then inside we've got some lovely laces. Oh my gosh. So there's all different types, guys. All different types. So this one, I don't know if you can see. Can you see that one? So guys, that is everything that was in Sandra's box. Look, guys, she doesn't have a channel for me to tell you about. I think she should, if that's something that I know she might be thinking about doing that. I think she should, because her stuff is absolutely gorgeous, and she has a talent, obviously, for making these sort of things. So guys, got lots to still tell you. I know we have lots of challenges going on and things like that, but I will get back to you in another video. I'm going to look at all this stuff in more detail. Thank you again, Sandra, so much. I'm so grateful and so touched by what you've made, and I really appreciate it. I think your stuff is brilliant, and you should show everybody and share it, because it's fantastic. So guys, again, before I start going off again on a tangent, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye.